Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to prepare this quick and easy paneer ki sabzi. So let's get started. In a pan, I have added around 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I will add in 2 bay leaves, a small stick of cinnamon, 2 green cardamom. To this, I will add in some ginger garlic paste, and we will cook this until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Ginger garlic has cooked. Now I will add in some Kashmiri red chilli powder and we'll just quickly mix it. Now to this I will add in Paneer Masala. Next I will add in some cashew paste. We will mix this and cook until everything has been cooked properly. Masala is cooked now, so I will add in the spices. First I'll add in some turmeric, some coriander powder, some red chilli powder and some garam masala. We'll mix everything. Now I will add in some water to adjust the consistency. We will mix the masala properly and let this come to a boil. So the masala has come to a boil. At this point I will add in some butter, adding in some milk for creaminess, and now we will let this all boil. Gravy has been boiling for some time now. I will add in the paneer now. Now I will add in some salt to taste, half teaspoon of sugar. Mix everything and boil for a couple of minutes. We'll switch off the gas now. Let's garnish this with some fresh cream, and our paneer ki sabzi is all ready to be served. So do give it a try and share feedbacks with me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.